Trying to get in shape for my trip to India. Christ said to go into all the world, preach the gospel to every creature. The problem is, we have no idea who they are. How are we supposed to effectively communicate the gospel to a people we know nothing about? How they think, what kind of pressures they have in their daily lives. Come with me and let's meet India face to face. Hey, same to you. Want to see how they get gas? Where's the motor?
Mike.
There you go. Not what I got. Oh, I gotta get in. Wait for me. Hi.
Good morning. Happy Diwali to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Drive safe.
Pardon? Yeah.
Right, yeah.
So with you. Have a very nice day to drive.
Okay, thank you. Now, how deep was the water when it was flooding? How deep did the water get?
The house was off, fully.
Half.
So you can see the...
Yeah, up to that level.
So Pastor Samuel, fill us in on what happened actually here.
About a week ago, we had a rain, and due to that rain, the rain which was supposed to be spread within a year, it just rained one day, and because of that, a lot of flood throughout the city and outskirts of the city, and all the low-lying area was, filled up, and the houses got sunk inside the water. You can see they are taking out their belongings and drying them up in the sun after a week.
So it's been a week since this happened?
Yeah, just a week ago it happened, last week. And you can see the water is still stagnant in low-lying area, and people cannot live here for the next 1 month until everything gets dried up and the ground level is solid to walk on. Otherwise they will always slip and fall off inside this water.
Yeah. And we have some church members here, right?
Yeah, we have 3 families here. So that's why I had brought you here today to see the realities as to how some of our church members' background are, And they belong to kind of a Hindu family, and they are very fresh coming to Jesus, and they believe that He will take care of everything. So it's our obligation to uplift them in times of troubles and turmoils, and great pain and anguish they're going through.
Yeah. How can we help them? What are the things that we can do?
Speaking about the loss, they have lost everything except their life. They've got only their life, and they have lost everything. They have small kids, and the guys were studying and they have lost their books and they have lost ration card and necessary things like clothes and food vessels are lost, and they are in a very big miserable condition.
Were you in the hut when it started flooding?
மழை பெய்யும்போது நீங்கள் வீட்டில் இருந்தீங்களான்னு கேட்குறேன்.
வீட்டில் இருந்தோம் ஐயா.
They weren't in any danger, they were just surprised.
உங்களுக்கு எந்த ஒரு அசம்பதம் நடக்கல, வெறும் நீங்கள் ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியப்பட்டீங்க இல்லையா? And they says that no life, they didn't lose any life, but they have lost their belongings. Altogether 24 and 23 houses are gone in flood. Lot of snakes during night times, you know, the water snakes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they are disturbed by that also.
So they don't want to. So they haven't visited their house since they came out.
Yeah.
I have to bring you here to see the realities of life.
Basically, we need to help them get back on their feet again.
Yes, absolutely. Hope God does that. We are praying for them, and hope God does that.
Okay, what's the name of this town?
This name was Numurikupam. Pastor.
Luni Mukum?
No, Numurikupam.
Mumikam. Okay, that's a nice town.
Sing one or two songs and immediately. இயேசு கிறிஸ்துவுக்குள்ளாக நாம் எல்லாரும் சகோதர சகோதரிகளாக இருக்கிறோம்.
I'm very privileged and honored to be here on the day that this place is dedicated.
இந்த நாளிலேயும் இந்த இடம் பிரதிஷ்டை செய்யப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. தேவனுடைய ஒரு ஜெப கூடாரமாக இது இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று நான் விரும்புகிறேன். ஹல்லேலூயா.
And thank you for welcoming me into your town.
இந்த நாளிலேயும் இந்த கிராமத்தில் எனக்கு நல்ல ஒரு வரவேற்பை கொடுத்து எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு தருணத்தை கொடுப்பதற்காக உங்களுக்கு மிகவும் நன்றியையும் வணக்கத்தையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Know that God is real.
நாம் என்ன தெரிந்து கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்றால் தேவன் உண்மையானவர். ஹல்லேலூயா.
Hallelujah. God is a great God.
நம்முடைய தெய்வம் மிகப்பெரிய தெய்வம்.
Not only is he all powerful,
அங்கே அவர் மிகவும் வல்லமையுள்ள தேவன் மாத்திரமல்ல கிடையாது,
but he's very kind.
அவர் மிகவும் அன்பான தேவன், பொறுமையுள்ள தேவன்.
And he loves you.
அவர் உங்களை நேசிக்கிறார்.
He loves me.
அவர் என்னை நேசிக்கிறார்.
I want to give him my heart.
இந்த நாளிலேயும் தேவனிடத்தில் என்னுடைய உள்ளத்தை நான் கொடுக்க விரும்புகிறேன்.
Any good thing that I've had in my life, any happiness, has all been because of him.
என்ன ஒரு நல்ல நிகழ்ச்சி என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையில் நடந்தாலும் தேவனுடைய கிருபையினாலே அது நடந்திருக்கிறது என்று நான் விசுவாசிக்கிறேன்.
Wouldn't you like to give him your heart too?
இந்த நாளிலேயும் தேவனுடைய பாதத்திலே உங்களுடைய உள்ளத்தை கொடுக்க விரும்புகிறீர்களா? எத்தனை பேர் விரும்புறீங்க? ஹல்லேலூயா.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Our Father in heaven,
எங்கள் அருமையான தேவனே,
you understand what it is to be a parent.
தேவ சுத்தமாக பிறந்திருக்கிறது என்று நாங்கள் விசுவாசிக்கிறோம்.
And you have a plan for the future of this child.
இந்த நாளிலேயும் இந்த குழந்தைக்கு ஒரு எதிர்காலத்தை வைத்திருக்கிறேன் என்று நாங்கள் உணர்கிறோம்.
In Jesus' name.
இயேசுவின் நாமத்தினாலே ஜெபிக்கிறேன் பிதாவே. ஆமென். ஹல்லேலூயா.
Hallelujah.
ஹல்லேலூயா.
Hallelujah.
ஹல்லேலூயா.
Hallelujah. Hello. Bye bye.
Gracias.